How does the aluminum water bottles made? Start with these 7 cm diameter aluminum discs. The discs flow through the chute to the punching machine. Machine utilizes 600 tons of pressure, stamping the original sheet into a cylinder with a bottom. Cutter to cut the opening to the correct size, then push it to the conveyor belt. Send to the next process. Here the machine positions the open end of the cylinder. The machine tools stamp the metal cylinder a total of 26 times. Easy lid screwing. This process makes the head of the bottle thicker than the rest of the bottle. Now the bottle comes to the cleaning station. After a thorough rinse, removal of lubricants in the formation process, then the moisture is dried by the baking machine. Inside of the aluminum water bottle will be coated with an extremely thin layer of high-tech polymer. Coat the inside of the bottle with a layer of polymer. The polymer of this coating is specially formulated. It will produce chemically inert substances like it does not absorb or conduct flavors, so send the bottle into the oven. Heat to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, so that the powder solidification completely adhered to the inner layer of the kettle. Now the bottle rotates through the cross-spray gun between applying an even lacquer finish. Like the inner layer, the outer layer also needs to be dried in the oven. When it dries, a smooth surface will appear on the paint. Automatic squeegee to print the design on the bottle. A jet of air will dry the ink during the printing process in order to use different colors to create patterns. Now hang the cap tightly on the mouth of the bottle, and when the worker puts the cap on the bottle, the final inspection of the product will be done at the same time.